Let's build a complete language course from scratch using AI in just a few minutes. I'm on the dashboard. I click Create Course. A modal opens. There are two modes: Quick, which creates a course manually without AI, and Generate, which is what we want today. I paste in a description: an English course for Russian-speaking students, B1 to B2 level, examples taken from Harry Potter, Friends, The Office, and Sherlock Holmes with grammar explained in Russian. I set the teaching language to English, the explanation language to Russian, and the level to B1. Then I hit Generate Course. A second step appears. This is where you can upload your own materials, PDFs, Word documents, notes. The AI will use them as source content when building the course. We're not using any files today, so I'll click Skip for now. The system gets to work. You can see the messages. Crafting course outline, building course structure, almost ready. This takes just a few seconds. Done. We're automatically taken into the course workspace. This is where all the units, exercises, and materials will live. Here's what the AI produced. 6 units, each with a title, a description, and a list of sections inside it. This is the course outline, not the final content. It's the structure you review, adjust if needed, and then approve before generation begins. If a unit doesn't fit, delete it. If a title or description isn't quite right, edit it here before anything gets generated. When you're happy with the shape of the course, you launch it. I hit Generate, and this is where it gets interesting. The course is built unit by unit as a live stream. You can watch it happen in real time. You don't have to wait for everything to finish. The moment the first unit is ready, you can open it and start exploring while the rest are still being created. The first unit is ready. I'll open it. Notice the draft status. That means students can't see this unit yet. The teacher reviews it first, makes any edits they want, and then publishes it. Nothing goes live until you decide it's ready. Let's look at the structure. The first section is an introduction, learning objectives, what the student will know by the end of this unit, and the overall plan. Not an exercise, a roadmap for the learner. Moving into the second section. This opens with a detailed grammar explanation, the rule, examples, breakdown of the structure, and right after the explanation, the exercises begin. First up, true or false. The student reads a statement and decides whether it's correct. In Teacher View, all the right answers are already highlighted, no guessing required. Next is match pairs, connect words or phrases by meaning. Then select word form, choose the correct form of a word to complete a sentence. Everything here is editable. If you want to reword a question, swap out an example, or add your own sentence, just click the text and start typing. The third section steps things up a bit. Drag word to gap. Drag the right word into its place in the sentence. Type word in gap. The student has to produce the answer themselves, no options given. Build sentence. Unscramble a set of words into a correct sentence. Different formats, different cognitive loads. One unit covers both recognition and production. Let me show you how this works from the teacher's perspective. I pick up a word and start dragging. Watch the correct slot highlight as I move it. The system is already showing me where this word belongs. I drop it in. The answer is checked instantly. Teachers experience the exercise exactly as students will, but with all the answers visible. It's a great way to review an exercise before publishing. I click Choose Unit to see what else is ready. The list shows 3 out of 6 units are done. The other 3 are still generating in the background. No waiting around. You can keep working through the finished ones while the rest catch up. I select the second unit, and a prompt appears. Unit not published. It's a reminder that this unit is still a draft and students won't see it. I click Switch Unit, and we're in. Second unit, same structure, different topic. Introduction section with objectives, then the grammar explanation, then exercises. The AI kept a consistent pattern across the whole course, which matters because students know exactly what to expect each time they open a new unit. And as always, everything is editable. Want to reorder the exercises, drop in a video, remove a section that doesn't fit? That's a few seconds of work. The generated course is a solid starting point, not a locked document. Moving on through the course, and there it is. The sixth and final unit just finished generating. I'll open it. So here's the full picture. 6 units, each with multiple sections, grammar explained in Russian, and a variety of exercise formats throughout. From past tenses through Harry Potter, all the way to reported speech through lines from Friends. All of that came from one short description. The teacher spent under 10 minutes. The student gets a structured, engaging course built around content they already know and love. In the next video, I'll show the same process for C1 level with Breaking Bad and Game of Thrones.